about how to add a guest Wi-Fi network to your home Wi-Fi router. First of all, you need to type CMD in your search bar, and then you will get the command prompt and double click on it and open it. Here we go. And first, you need to type ipconfig to find out your default gateway to the router to connect to your router. And once you hit enter ipconfig, you will get all the details that you need about your router, and then you need to find out the default gateway. In my case, it is 192.68.50.1. It might be different in your case. Uh, so yeah, you need to remember that IP address, and then you can go to the Google Chrome or whatever the browser you have, and then just type the address, the default gateway address. Uh, Once you hit enter, you will get a login interface. You can enter your credentials. If you don't know the credential, or if you did not set up any different one, it might be default. Default one may be admin, and then the password maybe also can be admin. Sometimes there won't be any password. It's better to configure that one to a different one, because anybody can be logging if you don't reset it here. And once you enter the credentials, you can find the details about your router, and then you need to go to guest network. In my case, you can find it right there, and then once you go there, you can click enable button, and it will take you to this interface. uh, Here you can add your name for the guest network and the authentication method, the encryption method. In this case, I will prefer to go with WPA2 personal because it is the most safest so far. And if you are using this one within your business or a small business, you will have to go with the WPA2 Enterprise. In this case, I will use WPA2 personal since it is for the home network. Uh, in addition to that, you can add a shared key, which means this is the yeah, you can add this shared key as your password. um, or if you don't want to have any password, you can just leave it. I would prefer to have a password for the safety of your router. And you can define access time for users, how many times can he or she be stay in the network, or you can decide whether he or the user does need the internet or not. And the MAC filter means you can blocks specific users from enter into a router, or you can add some specific only users to your router. Once you now once you click apply, those things will apply to your network. You can see the your guest name and the network key as your password. As I said earlier, this is so important. In if you don't know, if you don't have the trust the visitor, if you can't trust your visitors, then it will be so important to have a guest Wi-Fi network in your home. Yeah, once again, it will take you to the uh, your router interface. And if you want to delete or disable the guest network, go to your guest network and then just click on remove. It will just remove the guest network from your uh, router or your network. And yeah, once you click remove, it will restart the router again to save the configurations. here we go. That's how we do it. If you want to add, now you know how to add a guest network. If you want to delete the guest network, now you know how to delete the guest network. Thank you so much for watching the video.